Hey everyone and welcome back to another video. In this video, I'm going to show you how to change your Nextdoor password. Now this video is going to be particularly useful for individuals. Let's say that you want to go ahead and change your password because it's been compromised. How do you actually go ahead about doing so? Now this video is going to be short, sweet, and simple guys. There's not going to be a lot of steps involved. Now in order to do this, what you're first going to do is log on to Nextdoor. Then click on your profile icon on the upper right hand corner. Afterwards, click on settings on the bottom hand side, then click on account settings, then click on change password. So on this page here, this is where you're going to set your current password and then enter your new password and confirm your new password. But that right there guys is the best and easiest way that I know of to actually go ahead and change your Nextdoor password. If you guys know of a better or easier way to actually do this, let me know in the comments down below. I would love to know. Thanks so much for watching everyone, and I'll see you guys all in the next video.